Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to on WhatsApp how to edit a message that you have already sent. And of course, this allows you to, for example, if you have made a mistake, that you can go back and you can edit a text message that you have sent. And there are certain limitations. For example, you have up to 15 minutes after sending that message. So if I send a message and realize I spelled something incorrectly or the information is wrong, or maybe spell check actually change the message, you know how it goes. Sometimes you send a message and then you reread it only to find that there's a blaring error. You can actually go back through and change that error or edit it. All right, so I'm gonna show you to do it on WhatsApp. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is go to your WhatsApp, and it works both on Android and iOS. So if you have either device, it's slightly different on iOS. This is a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, but of course it should be the same across all Samsung devices. So I'm gonna go ahead and start right here. I have a message I'm gonna send. All right, so I'm gonna send this message, and as you can see here, the message is right here. Now, let's say, for example, you made an error. Let's say I was asking, hey, are we still going out tonight? So let's say it's an error, and I wanna change this to today, and that was a mistake. All you gotta do is, as seen here, go ahead and long press. And once you long press, highlight that message, you're gonna tap the three dots upper right. Then you're gonna go to the option that says edit. You're gonna tap edit. And once you tap edit, you'll see it gives you the option to go back through the message. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna delete. And I'm gonna change this to today. All right, so notice it says today, and I can change the entire message if I want. And I'm gonna add something. All right, so I've changed the message and I'm gonna send it. All right, so notice the message is delivered, and notice I didn't create a new message. The older one is now edited, and that's how you edit a message. If you want, you should be able to edit it even again within the 15 minutes. The edit is still there as an option. All right, so that's it guys for this tutorial. Do hope this was useful, and see you in the next one. Bye.